one is insert table. Do let me know if you have any question, because I should not go any further at the moment. I would prefer you to ask a question in case if you have anything you did not understand. Because if you understood one table, this is just repeating of it. Just different name and column name. Okay. One thing I did not show is called how to add foreign key. We do not have the situation here. Maybe next class. We do not have any table connected. They're individual tables. Once the product, this is just one product. You can add a category table later on and show you how to do the foreign key thing. But as I said, go give it a go. Okay, shall I give you these scripts, upload this whole scripts for you? You can try. Sure. Let's have a look. The name of the image, that's correct. I already have prepared them. Yep. We'll just add it. So basically remember where I'm keeping my all product. All I'm keeping in a specific folder, don't they? Inside the image in the product. So when I'm printing them, when I'm looping it using PHP, let's say, imagine I'm printing my images. Okay. Imagine I have a big row that coming. Okay. And this row contains 4 products. For each product, it has a column called product image. I can just write like this. Just show you quickly. Just show you quickly. Actually, no, leave it there. Let's say simple img folder. Okay, source, right? You want a source. So remember what we have, the source. We need to check our path. You can get the path here. Check what path it is. See what path it is. Let me see the entire path, or you can just say path of this, where it is. We have assets, image, product. Yeah. So let's see this. So I said assets. This is fixed for everybody. Okay. All product are. Maybe they have a subdirectory in the product, by the product name, but at least for now it's already here. So say assets product, assets folder, and go into image, go into product, I believe, is it product? Yeah, products. And now up to here is same for all of them, don't they? Yeah, up to here is easy for all of them. Inside somewhere, yep, is a folder. I just created one. Inside asset image products. This is where I'm going to keep all the products, let's say. Now this is common for all of them, don't they? Imagine you have a piece of data coming from PHP, which will be a dynamic. Let's do this for you. Just write a PHP here. Let's say the array name is like this. Echo, sorry. What is this? Echo. What is the name of this variable? Let's call product image, $, product image. Okay. That's your image. Okay. So if I run this to a for loop, let's say I have 3 products. I have 3 products. Each product will have all the columns, don't they? All the columns, name, these. And as the for loop goes through, it's going to pick up one row at a time. Yeah. Because we're going to run to a for loop. How many times this for loop will go? So I'm going to pack all of this into an array. Run the array, run a for loop around the array. It's going to go one row by one row, lay down the details. While it's laying down, it's also found the product image name, cd.png. And all I need this one and the path for it, right? and the path is manually typed. Watch, because I know where I kept them. This is manually typed, and this is dynamic. Above this line, there will be other codes, right? Reading this from database, putting into array. Imagine that array has this array is a big array. It has a product image, and I can put that. If you think, obviously I can't show you right now because we haven't, but you got idea. Okay. So this is a product image. Let's say this is product image containing all of this. Okay, that's an array for fun. Okay, and it's gonna put something very simple here, and then obviously I have to put in a PHP just for fun. Okay, you just write like this. You could do like this as well. Product array. This is an array, and then you could do like this. And you could say product, what is the column name? Product image, yeah? You could do this. Look. So this array will have all the rows, is it not? And when I write the for each loop, if I write a for each loop, it's going to go all the ways. For each item product array AR as product or say product, do the following loop. Okay, I'm not writing the loop entirely. I'm just writing, give you the syntax so you can see what is going on. Okay, let's say I'm just printing the images, nothing else. Okay, that's my for each loop. Okay, and I'm gonna call it product. I do not need this. Yeah. So let's say I have 3 products in this array. At the moment, I don't have anything here. It will be an array, okay, coming from database. I put empty. If that is so, how many products? I have 6 products, yeah? I'll have 6 products packed inside this array. Run a for each loop is split each of them as a product, the way you did for card. Do you remember? For in, similar. And this will be present each time. Because for loop, what the student don't understand sometimes that, or tend to comment. For each loop, we're going to go one by one, okay? So it's going to pick up the first row. This will point to the first row, and first row has the image, product image folder. Column will hold the first image name. Print it. Go ahead and pick up the second one. Print it. Go ahead and. Okay. This is how it's going to print all of your thing. Okay. So you do not need this, and this is a fix. All of them. If you do not want a product table, product folder, just if you want to keep it in image, why not? Just put in image. That's it. That's pretty much it is. So this is something not going to understand right now. So don't worry, we'll come back to it. But it's an advanced question, as Mr. Hawk wanted to know. So that's okay. All right, guys. This is all from me today. Go ahead and give it a go. I'm going to upload this. I don't think so I'll be able to give it in the text. Can I try? Let me just see if I can give it. Oh no, I don't think so. It's gonna go that far. I don't think it's going to give it. Copy. Anyway, I'm gonna upload this. Okay, it's better. Let me upload it. So, what is your task? Your task is to try to create a user table or contact table. Either will do. Just think of the column name how you like. If it is a user table, obviously you need a user ID. Think. I want you to think. What do you do? And is that a good deal?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you can do both of them, you have a chocolate on your way. Okay. It's just never comes here. Okay. All right then. So I upload this as, just give me 2 seconds.